Okay, what we have here today is a flat tire. I can't say that it owes me anything because I haven't had a flat tire on this one for 3 years. My other tractors have always had flat tires. It's a pain because it's hard to fix. I think I got everything together to fix this one. So let's just identify what we have in front of us. All right, first of all, we have a flat tire. We have, if it can take a tire patch, these strippy things, you've seen these? They're real sticky. These are a little bit older, they're a little bit drier. This is the rasp that you would go into the hole with. The only thing I couldn't find is the part that shoves the sticky part in, but I'm going to do a makeshift using this old tool. It has kind of a flat end on it. Hopefully I can, push it into that hole. So we have an air source. You see the orange hose over here. And we have a flat tire, of course, and I'm going to first fill it, and then we'll find out if the hole is big or if it's small or if it's just going to hold air for a while. I don't know, but if we can fix it, we will with these parts that I have. I might have to get my other compressor. Okay, I got my much larger compressor now. It's kind of buried in my shed, and I'm going to use that. Hopefully I don't have to take the wheel off to fix this. The idea is that I would be able to just leave it on there, pump it up with a good heavy source of air. Sometimes what it takes is a good jolt of air to get the thing sealed right. That little compressor I had, it's very reliable for pumping up a tire that may need air, but it doesn't have the pressure behind it to do anything much. Probably like 50-year-old compressor, still works. Company called DeVille Bliss. I'm just waiting for my compressor to come up to pressure, and then we'll take it from here. Okay, as suspected, it needed a good burst of pressurized air, and I got that with my compressor. I had 160 pounds, hit it, and it ballooned out. I'm sorry I didn't record it, but I felt like I was on a roll there. So I'm going to see if it's leaking from the tire or it's leaking from the valve. Sometimes the valves leak. Sometimes in really cold temperatures, valves will leak. And we've had a lot of cold, so maybe that was the only problem. But I'm going to get some soapy water. I'm going to see if I can find out where it might be leaking from. If it becomes persistent, I'll just have to buy a tube. Okay, I'm going to be doing the soapy water method. Made up this is an old Windex bottle. I don't see any obvious bubbles. I'm going to leave this as it is for right now. Okay, we took our first steps in cleaning up the pavilion here. It is a rotten mess still. However, one of the jobs we wanted to do here is remove all this cardboard that we've been saving for when we put our, what we were calling a food forest. It gets lined with as much cardboard on the bottom, and then there's a pile of wood chips that we have out there that we're going to move with a skid steer, you know, bobcat one day this spring. As you can see, I got all the cardboard out of here. That was our first job in cleaning up the pavilion. I'll tell you the truth, I didn't know I was going to get this far because we had the flat tire and we thought we had a dead battery, but you know, that cold can really choke a battery. And when I tried to start this last week, I think we had a high of 16, and the tractor just didn't want to cut it. It didn't want to take off, but we still had the flat tire too. So there's no kind of weather to fix a tire in any way. So I got the trailer strapped up, and we're going to go all the way back, and I'm going to offload this cardboard in the area where it's going to go. And after that, that'll be our video, because to tell you the truth, I've been kind of sick with the flu. I was kind of like out the last couple days, not in bed, but oh my gosh, it was so bad. I'd wake up with the chills, I missed sleep, and so I just didn't have the strength to get out here to do it. But we got through it. My wife helped me a lot, and I'm very thankful for her care for me, because without her, I wouldn't have been back out here today. So anyway, here we are. I'm going to take the camera with us, and we're going to go all the way back. It's a little bit of a ride, not hours, but anyway. Okay, that's all for this video for today. I thank you for watching, and please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. That really helps it. I've increased my number of subscribers, more than I ever have since doing videos. It's such a blessing. Thank you. Thank you for the new ones that have decided to stop by. And I welcome all comments. We had one, we call it bottom comment the other day, but it's okay. I just thank them for watching. And it's all part of the game. The tire stayed up. So far, so good. I'll keep an eye on it. Probably it was just a fluke that it went flat. There's no obvious hole or nothing. So anyway, I will devise something else to do on our property. This one kind of wrote itself, you know. Like I said, I didn't see me getting through getting the tractor started, getting it back up on, back out on the yard running. I didn't see that, but when I did, I thought, well, we're going to do our first job that we thought we'd do in the pavilion, and that is get rid of the cardboard and use it like we said we were going to use it, and we did. Thank you, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.